Hey editors, I'm going to show you how to do this stretching text effect in Premiere Pro in just 2 minutes. To begin, while you have some text in your timeline, open Effects panel. Search for Transform and add it to the first text. Move the time indicator to the start of the text layer, then go to the Effect Controls panel, and under the Transform section, uncheck Uniform Scale. Then change Scale Width to 20 and create a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Then move 3 frames forward. Set scale width to 120, move another 3 frames forward and set the scale back to 100. Now uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase it to 360 to add motion blur to the text. And we have the Stretch Pop-Up Text effect that we can easily add to other text layer in 2 ways that I'll show you. But before it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to support me. For first way, go to Effect Controls panel. Select Transform Effect. Right-click and select Copy. Then select a different text layer. Right-click on Effect Controls panel and select Paste. For second way, go to Effect Controls panel. Select Transform Effect. Right-click and choose Save Preset and change the name to Stretch Effect. You can now find your new preset by searching for it in Effects panel and add it to other texts. Now we just made a nice stretching text effect in Premiere Pro. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.